already woken up with me, you've spent the morning with me. So this is some of the basic things that I usually do when I wake up in the morning. My mornings usually start with yoga because it just makes me feel really nice. We have some plants that we have to go get because यहाँ पे जो मैं मेरे विंडो में बाहर जो यूजुअली प्लांट्स रखती हूँ, यहाँ पे आई हैव 3 pots जिसके plants unfortunately died and the rest of them are thriving, but 3 plants have died, which is why we have those 3 pots which are just empty right now. So I thought we just go to the plant guy and do some plant shopping and get some new babies home. Bit of edit work and so on. So I will take you guys through my day along with me. अभी फ़िलहाल योगा हो चुका है, so I'm just going to go and have some hot water with lemon. Along with that, just going to sit by the window and spend some time just probably water my plants and so on. Weather is really beautiful. मैंने अभी window बंद रखा है क्योंकि बहुत आवाज़ आ रही थी बाहर से, but it's really windy and really nice. I'm going to open up the window, just sit here. This is my morning time where I don't kind of use my phone or anything like that. It's just 15-20 minutes of digital detox, but even a little time does count. So I wake up, do my yoga, have my hot water and just sit here for a while, just spend some time by myself. Shower has been had and now I'm finally ready to take on the world. Ready to take on the day. This, by the way, I was feeling very Indian today, so this is my mother's kurti which has been stolen from her closet and now she will watch this video and problems shall happen. Some edit that I need to sit on, the vlog basically which I shot before this, उसके कुछ छोटे मोटे एडिट्स बाकी है, उसके थंबनेल में थोड़ा सा बहुत काम बाकी है, तो I'm just gonna go ahead and finish all of that work. And I have some brands that I need to speak to today, which you know, for shoots that were stalled before the lockdown, क्योंकि lockdown आ चुका था और वो shoots हो नहीं पाए थे, तो अब जब lockdown relax हो रहा है थोड़ा धीरे करके, then I guess I'm going to just speak to these brands today, do some calls, finish my editing work, which is going to take up actually most of the day. And
One eternity later.
बारिश हो रही है लेकिन just going to go out like I told you guys for some plant shopping because the weather is legit so beautiful. तेज़ बारिश नहीं हो रही है, थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है, लेकिन still we're just going to go head out quickly and get our plant babies home. The pots are going to the potter. How beautiful is it looking today? क्योंकि अभी just fresh बारिश गिरी हुई है तो सब कुछ गीला है. It feels and looks beautiful. ये देखो मेरी गाड़ी के नीचे से कौन निकला. This guy was hiding under the car. We have this regular guy who we usually go to, जो हमारे घर से कुछ 5-10 मिनट पे ही है, 5-10 मिनट पे ही है, और वहीं पे हम हमेशा जाते हैं जब हमें कोई नए प्लांट्स खरीदने हो या फिर उसकी मिट्टी बदलनी हो या कोई भी हो. Basically he is our plant guy. It's a little nursery. I will show you once we get there. Here we are at the nursery. Just look at all these beautiful flowers. How beautiful is this? How got these two babies so far, the red one and the pretty orange one is hands down my favorite is fun. So beautiful, and there are two of them. Look at this pot. This is our pot. These are the two flowering plants that we bought. That's the third one, which we're now transferring in this pot, and in this pot will go this one, this large plant that we've got. Look at this pretty guy. He's seated in his new seat. So we got all the plants and we're headed back home. Today we have different members on our back seat. हम बनाने वाले हैं काढ़ा, जो बहुत ही एक मैजिक ड्रिंक मैं उसे बुलाना चाहूँगी. It is a major immunity booster. If you guys obviously I'm sure you guys might have heard about it, especially अभी कोविड के टाइम पे तो लोग उसको बना के पी रहे हैं, because it is a great immunity booster. And not just that, it is also really great if you're having like a bad cold or a flu. You know, मुझे अभी भी याद है, I had a trip coming up to Jodhpur and I had 2 other trips fixed along with that, so there was no chance कि मैं किसी भी dates को move कर सकती. But I had to kind of, you know, these were pre-fixed work trips and I had to travel for them. And I remember कि जाने के 2-3 दिन पहले I felt like really sick, and by sick I mean like I had a major cold and, you know, cough and stuff like that. And my mom is like, okay, you have to go and you can't cancel this trip, so do one thing, I'm making you a kadha, have it every day, at least twice or thrice in the day, and you will start feeling better, at least, you know, your cold will get better. And I remember जाने के 2 दिन पहले I started having the kadha, and it gave me instant like throat relief. I had like a lot of throat pain and my throat was burning and stuff, but this kadha gave me like instant relief. So I have first hand tried it and it does, you know, make a huge impact. And I remember कि मैं उस काढ़े को थोड़े से बॉटल में, कांच की बॉटल में भर के अपने साथ भी लेके गई थी, and I used to heat it and have it there on the shoot, and it instantly made me just feel so good and, you know, like jump back on my feet. It like it gives you that kind of energy and stuff. So don't have it with the thought कि ये tasty होगा. It's not made for taste. It's उसको अगर आपको नहीं पसंद आ रहा है तो आप दवाई समझ के पी लो, उसमें थोड़ा सा honey डाल के. But it's the primary reason is not taste. So don't, you know, think of that. मेरे पास वो हल्दी है, मैं लेके आई थी, और ये देखो मेरे हाथ ऑलरेडी पीले क्योंकि मैंने उसको ग्रेट कर रही थी. Before I was just filming this, उसे ग्रेट करके रख रही थी. तो let's go into the kitchen and make some kadha today.
Later that same evening. तो हो चुका है सक्सेसफुली, लेकिन बारिश अभी तक रुकी है. Still raining cats and dogs outside. Today I worked out to the sound of rain. How often do you get to do that?
how beautiful it is. It's time to go get into the shower and then have some garam chai and some oats. Hey guys, what's up? It's been a super busy day for me. I've been working on some edits and some new different thumbnail designs that I want to be implementing in my videos, so forth. And it's really hot right now. I don't know what happened to the weather. Like, it was so rainy and nice and then cool, and now suddenly it's like, it's just so, I don't know, weird. Look at this. Anyway, you guys remember in the first vlog, which was about this camera that I'm speaking to you all in, about buying the new vlog camera, मैंने उसमें mention किया था कि मैं इस कैमरे के लिए एक एक्स्ट्रा मेमोरी कार्ड खरीदने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि इसके अंदर इनबिल्ट सिर्फ 16 GB दिया था, जो obviously is not enough. तो मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा 128 GB का मेमोरी कार्ड मंगवाया था और एक मिनी पॉड भी मंगवाया था, क्योंकि फ़िलहाल जो मैं गोरिल्ला पॉड यूज़ कर रही हूँ, नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद इट. आई मीन दैट्स समथिंग दैट आई एम गोना कैरी अलोंग एवरी टाइम आई एम व्लॉगिंग, just as an addition, but like for a regular use I wanted the mini pod, like for my primary use. तो वो दोनों चीज़ें आ चुकी है इस घर के अंदर, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इसे हम साथ में ही ओपन करते हैं, क्योंकि मैं मतलब मेमोरी कार्ड तो मुझे पता है कि क्या कैसा दिखता है, कैसा होगा, सो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. बट द मिनी पॉड इज़ समथिंग आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स मैंने इसके फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह तो देख के ही मंगवाया है, लेकिन यू नो जस्ट हैविंग इट इन योर हैंड इन पर्सन, इसको लगा के अटैच करके देखने में अलग मज़ा आता है. तो मुझे लगा कि हम साथ में इसको खोलते हैं. सो लेट्स गो एंड ओपन दीज टू पार्सल्स. I'll open the less exciting one first. जो है ये मेमोरी कार्ड. ये एक SanDisk का मेमोरी कार्ड है, which is like a 128 GB मेमोरी कार्ड. And considering the travel shoots, मुझे पता है कि ये भी कम पड़ेगा at some point or the other, लेकिन ठीक है, for now at least something's better than nothing. Mini multi-function tripod is what it says. The best you can get. इनका दावा है कि this is the best you can get. देखते हैं. This is really mini. It's so cute and it's very like lightweight, क्योंकि मुझे फिलहाल ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे हाथ में कुछ पकड़ा ही नहीं है. It's very very lightweight. Oh, such a cutie. Look at this guy. Cute little baby. ओके, एंड इसके साथ आया है ये जो है एक, अगर मुझे मोबाइल फ़ोन को इस ट्राइपॉड पर अटैच करना है तो उसका माउंट है, ये मोबाइल माउंट. बट हमें फ़िलहाल तो मोबाइल के लिए चाहिए नहीं, तो सो कूल. इसको एक्सटेंड भी किया जा सकता है, व्हाट इट सेड इन द पिक्चर. ओह या, ये है. इसे एक्सटेंड करने के बाद okay, we'll put it on the camera and see now. तो ये नया ट्राइपॉड जो है लग चुका है. काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल इसका फील है, क्योंकि ये छोटा सा है, उसका बिल्कुल भी वज़न नहीं है. लाइक द अदर वन, द गोरिल्ला पॉड वाज क्वाइट हैवी आई वुड से, बट ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग इज हैवी था, इसलिए ये हैवी ड्यूटी भी था. ये मतलब इतना हैवी ड्यूटी मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा वज़न डाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये मेरा कैमरा एक कॉम्पैक्ट कैमरा है, ये इस पर फिट हो रहा है विदाउट एनी ट्रबल. बट इफ़ यू हैव लाइक अ DSLR और समथिंग, आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड बाय दिस. ऑल्सो अगर आप भी यही सेम मिनी पॉड खरीदना चाहते हो तो मैं इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रही हूँ. तो वन दैट आई हैव बॉट, इट्स फ्रॉम Amazon and it's really really inexpensive, so you guys can also go ahead buy it and see. This is what it looks like. See, How cute is this? The feet, and he'll become a little taller than his actual height. But yeah, pretty good. Goodbye. Good job. Good job. Good.